I've been chasing a misfiring issue in my 2013 Camaro budget build, and we're gonna head over to Andrew, Mustang Lifestyle's house to see if we can get it fixed. I figured I would drop the car off with an actual tuner, and he knows exactly what to look for in the computer data logs to tell me what's wrong with the car. While we're there, we're also gonna go ahead and see just how much power this car can make on the dyno before I do any modifications to it. I wanna know just how much power the Camaro puts down because I need to beat this car in at least the drag race and hopefully the autocross race, which are the two challenges for this budget build series. Now we'll be able to see how much power this car makes, and then maybe Andrew Mustang Lifestyle can hook us up with a tune to make a little bit more power and make this thing sound a little bit cooler than, you know. Hopefully we can find the misfiring issue, and hopefully the engine isn't blown up, because that means that we have a lot more budget for things like nitrous. I'll be 100% honest, you guys have absolutely been killing it with this support. You guys are going crazy with the numbers, and that allows me to have a lot more budget for this car than you'd think. Hopefully here in the next few days I can show you what the new updated budget is, and we might be having to put a V8 in this thing. Now one more thing before I go, I want you guys to comment below just how much power you think this stock 2013 Camaro LS will make. My guess is like 210 horsepower, but I don't know. Drop a comment and I'll see you guys in the next video.